What up, what up? I'm the math teacher Goat, and today in 5th grade math we are talking about what a fraction really means. Now this is actually kind of more like a 4th grade or maybe even a 3rd grade lesson, but that's okay. We're going to do a lot of videos next on fractions, and so it's important for you to kind of understand and visualize, what a fraction actually means. So that's why this is called What a Fraction Really Means. Make sure you like and subscribe, please. Go to the description. There's a link there for the notes. Download those, print them if you can, because there's a lot of pictures in this one, and it'll be very helpful for you to follow along. And when you practice problems, they're right there in front of you, and you don't have to draw or write anything out. So, what a fraction really means? Well, a fraction looks like this. Fractions show parts of a whole or parts of a group. Okay, so you would read this fraction as 1/7 or 1/7. The top part is the numerator. That's the number of parts that you care about. Okay, when I look at these pictures, that would be the number of shaded parts. The denominator is the total equal parts. Okay, and fractions must have equal-sized parts in order for it to be fair. So if you look at these pictures right here, this triangle is split into 2 equal parts. One of them is shaded, so I care about 1 out of 2 equal parts. This circle is cut into 1, 2, and 3 equal parts. One of them is shaded, so this is 1/3, 1/3. Center my face there. This square is cut into 1, 2, 3, 4 total equal-sized parts. One of them is shaded. 8 equal-sized parts, one of them is shaded. Okay, so we're cutting an object into the same amount of parts. I'm shading 1 or 2 or 3 of them, and depending on what I have shaded, I will write that out as this number over that number. Okay, so let's identify the fractions shown in each model. I will do some, I will do another kind of problem, then you'll practice these on your own. This shape right here is cut into 2 equal parts, so we will put that over 2. One of those parts is shaded, so we're going to write 1 as our numerator and 2 as our denominator, 1/2, also known as a half. This Triforce looking Zelda thing is 1, 2, 3, 4 total parts, so I'll write it out as over 4. And only one of them is shaded, so 1/4, 1/4. This guy right here is cut into 1, 2, 3 total parts. 1, 2 of them are shaded. So this is 2/3, also known as 2/3. Okay? All right. So now, instead of me giving you the picture and you making the fraction, let's draw our own picture. So we're going to draw end model, draw a model for each fraction. I have a feeling both of these are going to have bad grammar. That's okay. Draw a model for each fraction. So I'm going to create something that has 5 equal size things. So let's do this. Let's make a rectangle, and hopefully I can draw this out right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm okay with that. I'm not an artist. You'll learn that really quickly. But I'm okay with the picture that I drew. Let's color 1, 2, 3 of those. So 1, 2, 3. Okay? All right. Let's go back to my pen. 8 of them. So when I think 8, I think of a pizza. So let's make a circle. Cut down the middle, cut down the middle, cut down the diagonal, cut down the diagonal. That looks so bad. We're only going to shade one of them. So I'll shade one of them, like that. So 6 out of 7. I'm going to create an object that has 7 equal looking things. So, let me change the colors. Let's do... oh my gosh, that looks so bad. I'm so awful at drawing pictures on this thing. It's embarrassing, really. Yeah, that's just awful. That's bad. That's bad. Well, pretend those are all the same size. Okay, just make believe. Please do me a favor. Pretend those are all the same size. We're going to shade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in the previous slide, I told you to, hey, look at this picture, make a fraction. And then this slide, I said, here's a fraction, let's draw a picture. You're going to do the same exact thing, 3 and 3, okay? So identify the fractions in this one, and then the next one you're going to draw the pictures. So you're doing this on your own. Pause the video, and when you're ready, come back, check your work. Oh, welcome back. Looks like we have a shape that is split up into 4 equal parts. So that's out of 4. One of them is shaded, so 1 over 4. You are cut into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal parts, so over 5. 1, 2, 3 of them are shaded, so 3/5. 3 over 5. You are cut into 3 parts, and only one of them is shaded, so 1/3, 1 over 3. That's the easy part. Now the hard part, me drawing some pictures. Draw and model, I did it again, draw a model for each fraction. So I'll do a circle here, why not? Okay, let's cut it into 1, 2, 3, 4 parts, and let's shade one of them. Let's shade one of those. One of those! Something with 5 equal parts. I'm going to try to draw a pentagon. I'm actually not doing half bad here. And then connect everything in the middle. That's not too bad. It's not good, but it's not bad. And I'm going to shade 4 of them. 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, 3 out of 8. Let's not do a pizza again. Let's just do a rectangle. Okay. Let's cut you down the middle. Cut that down the middle. Cut that down the middle. And cut that down the middle. I care about 3/8, so I'm shading 3 out of 8 of them. So 1. Nope. There we are. 1. How about you? 2. And how about you? 3. Okay? So, word problem. A pizza is cut into 8 slices. Mr. Butt takes 3 slices and leaves the rest for Mrs. Butt. Write a fraction to show how much of the pizza Mrs. Butt gets. Okay, so let's just draw a slightly better picture of the pizza. Okay, so Mr. Butt is going to take 3 of them. So he's going to take 3 of them. So that goes to Mr. Butt, that goes to Mr. Butt, that goes to Mr. Butt. Now let's shade in a different color, a much prettier color, the part of the pizza that Mrs. Butt gets. So she gets the remaining 5 of them. Mr. Butt's very generous. Mrs. Butt should be thankful for Mr. Butt. He's a very kind guy. Those Butts. They're good people. Now, the part that I care about, the part that's shaded in green, why, that's Mrs. Butt. That is 1, 2, there's 8 pieces in total. So out of 8, that's your denominator. And in green, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them are shaded, so Mrs. Butt gets 5/8 of the pizza. Thank you, Mr. Butt, for being a gentleman and showing us what chivalry and kindness looks like. Well, that's my video on fractions and understanding them a little bit better. Like and subscribe. Please watch my other videos. That would really help. And yeah, that's all I got. Thanks for watching. Bye.